fit like now. Welcome to Pert Socks. We'll learn Scottish words. Doric Scots. The tongue of the north-east of Scotland. Now, our first word is blouterd. Now, as you can see in this photo, there's a lad lying blind drunk, and he's what you call blouterd. Now, in this photo, there's another lad lying down, and he's blouterd. You know, too much of the whiskey. But you don't need to be asleep to be blouterd. You can actually still be walking about, but really drunk. Just blind drunk. And that's the word blouterd. Now, there's another word that we can use for being very drunk. Instead of blouterd, we can say it, this lad here is marak. And if he's really drunk, you can say he's shit marak. So that lad lying on the ground, he's shit marak. Now, another meaning for blouterd is like this photo here. You can see a man holding these fishing nets, and they're all ripped in bits, so there's tears all over him. So his net is blouterd. Now, the next word is hidden, and as you can see, as lad in the picture, he's been in a Feicht, and somebody's given him a good hiding, because he's got a black eye. Somebody's beat him up, so that's a hiding. And another word for his black eye or black eye, we got a kicker. So he's got a kicker, and somebody's given him a hiding. And this is a photo of another lad, and he's got a kicker and or a black eye, and it looks as though he's in a hiding and somebody's given him a hiding, or maybe he's given the other lad a hiding. If he won the Feicht, he'll have given the other lad a hiding, and the other lad will have come off by the worst. See? So that's the word hiding. Now, the next word is boo. And as you can see, this lad, it is bending over. So boo means to bend. So he's booed over. He's bending over. Now, there's a picture here of a pipe with a boo in it. Somebody's booed his pipe. So it's got a boo in it, a bend. Now, this picture here, you can see there's 12 wifeys, and they're booed over, or booed over. And they could be classed as boo bucket, and that can happen with all age. You start booing over with all age, and you can't straighten up, so you're all boo bucket. And here's a wee picture of a fork, and somebody's booed as fork. So there's a boo in a fork, and it means somebody's booed as fork. It's maybe Johan lad fit you cause him Yuri Gela, I think you call him. He does that. He boos forks and spoons. Now, the the next word is Bappet. The word Bappet, and it just means something that's squint or Neest. And as you can see, as Hoose is Bappet looking. So it's the word Bappet. And here's another Bappet looking Hoose. It's near level, so it's Bappet. Now, another use of the word Bappet is, for example, this is a picture of the late Benny Hill, and he was a comedian, and this is one of his comedy characters that he's playing in his picture, and it was like a daft kind of character. So you would say that character, if you look at that face, you'd say that's a recht Bappet looking face, ken? Recht Bappet looking dash in that lad. So if you ken on it looks like this lad in a picture, you can see it they're Bappet looking. So that's the word Bappet. Now, I hope you enjoyed that now, and I'll catch you after.